Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. Did you know that you can recall emails in Outlook? Yes, you can. Recalling an email in Outlook lets you retract it if the recipient hasn't opened it yet, useful for mistakes like wrong recipients or missing attachments. When to recall an email? Accidental send, you sent it too soon or to the wrong person. Missing attachment, forgot to add a file. Typing error, found a major mistake after sending. So let me show you how to recall an email in Outlook. For that, go to Sent Items. Double-click on the email you want to recall. Click on File. Here, click on Resend or Recall. Then, click on Recall this message. This will open Recall this message window. Here you can select either Delete unread copies of this message. This will recall the email. Or select Delete unread copies and replace with a new message. This will recall and send new email. That's it.